So today we are going to create a calculator using simple Python code. So we will take two numbers as an input, and for the calculator we will again take one more input, and we will perform basic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So first let's take first number as input and then the second number as input, and now we will create a third variable for choices. The basic operations will be addition, subtraction, and then multiplication and division. That's it. And now we will perform operations based on the input. So for that we will use the if statement. First we will write if c is equal to 1, then we will print a plus b. And if c equal to, then we will print a minus b. And if c equal 3, then we will print a into b. And if it's 4, then we will print a by b. And finally, if we input something else, then we'll print some error. Let's run this code. So the first number is something like say 12 and second number is 5. And now I want to perform say addition. So 12 plus 5 is 17. Let's rerun this code and give something else. Now here I will give another number say 6. It should show an error. That's it. We have created a simple Python calculator just using a simple code.